Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you liked the previous video. Today we are going to be solving a Euclidean geometry problem. Join me as I dive into solving this wonderful problem and making maths easy for you guys. So let's get right into it. The question in this problem is that in the diagram, O is the center of the circle, chord AC is perpendicular to radius OD. Then OB is equals to 2x. From O to B is equals to 2x, and AC is equals to 8x. Show that the length of BD is 2x into brackets the square root of 5 minus 1 unit. Okay, to start off this problem, we are going to write first what we are given. What we are already given is that OB is equals to 2x. Then our reason will be, in brackets, will be given. Then another thing that we know is that AC is equal to 8x, and it is also given. So I just wrote this because I'm not writing in a book. So you guys, when you are practicing maths, you should write given in your book or even in a maths exam. So the next thing that we can see, as you can remember, the theorem 1, the converse of it states that the line drawn through the center, this is the center, through the center of the circle and perpendicular to the chord bisects the chord. Then the line drawn from the circle, center of the circle, perpendicular to the chord is this line. OD, and it is perpendicular to chord AC. Then it will mean that from A to B will be equal to, sorry, let me erase this. It will mean that from AB will be equal to BC because of the converse of theorem 1. So I will say AB is equals to BC. Then my reason will be the radius oh, sorry for that guys, is perpendicular to the chord. I'm just going to write C. The radius is perpendicular to the chord, so that will be my reason. If you can look at theorem 1, you will see what I am talking about. Then if AB is equals to BC, then, and we know that AC from A to C is equals to 8x, then we're going to divide 8 by 2, then which means that AB will be AB is equals to 4x, and also BC will also be equals to 4x. Then when we are continuing with our problem, we are going to, because we need the length of B to D, we are going to use this triangle. the OBC triangle, we are going to use this triangle. So in triangle OBC, in triangle OBC, we are going to use the Pythagoras theorem to find the value of OC. Ne? Then it's going to be in triangle OBC, we're going to put a comma. OC squared is equals to OC squared is equals to OB squared plus BC squared. You already know that the Pythagoras theorem is r squared is equals to x squared plus y squared. Then OC squared will be equal to, we already know that the value of OB, which is 2x, that is what we are given, which is 2x squared, plus the value of BC is what we found here. The value of BC is 4x squared. Close bracket squared. Then OC squared will be equal to, how much is 2 squared? 2 squared is equals to 4. Then x squared will be x squared plus 4 squared is equals to 16 x squared. If you don't know how we calculate the squared, 4 squared is simply 4 times 4. That's how we got 16. Then we will have, because these are like terms, we will have 4x squared plus 16x squared. We are going to add the 2 and we are going to have 20x squared. That's OC squared. OC squared. Then since we have 2 squared on both sides, we are going to make a square root. We're going to make a square root then on both sides. Then this will cancel out this one and we'll be left with OC. If you want me to show you how the square root and the square, the two cancel out each other, I'll make a video on that. So, and on the right hand side we'll be left with the root of 20x. Then OC will be equal to the root of 20x. If you can press your calculator, it will give you 2 the square root of 5x. Then we will say BD, which is the value that we are looking for. BD is equal to the value of BD is equal to OD, which is this radii from the center of the circle to the line of the circle, OD minus OB. But if you can see, OC OC is equal to OD because they are both radii. So we're going to give it a reason that OC, they are both the radius. The radius is the line from the center of the circle to the circle, to the line of the circle. I don't know how to put it, but that's the radii. OC is equals to OD. Both radii. They are both radii. So BD will be, then the value of OD will be this value of OC to the root of 5x minus OB. The value of OB, we already know that it's 2x. Then, if you can see our equation well, then we'll say BD is equals to, if you can see our equation, we can see that we have 2 here, we have 2 here, and we also have 2 here. We have x here, and we also have x here. Then we can take out the 2 and the x. Then it will be 2x into the root of 5 minus 1. Because if you can multiply 2x multiply by the square root of 5, you'll get this. And if you can multiply 2x multiply by -1, you'll get -2. So that is how we prove that the length of BD is equal to 2x into the square root of 5 minus 1. If you enjoyed this little video, please like, subscribe, and also comment on the things that you do not understand so that I can make a video further explaining them. And also comment of the type of content you like me to, the type of questions you like me to solve. Thank you.